Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. As usual, we're going to discuss the BTC price action. However, before we start, if you guys are learning and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. Based on a lower time frame, as soon as we got a rejection right from 45,500, we started seeing a minor correction in the market. I shared via Twitter. However, we're going to cover that in a minute. Before we do a lower time frame analysis, I want to draw your attention under a daily time frame. Under daily time frame, once we reached to $69,000, from lower time frame we shorted 66,500 level right from 0.618, the golden pocket. Right from 66,500-ish level all the way to the major support that, as you can see, we saw a 50% dump in the market. At the same time, right before we came to this level a couple of days ago that I shared over Twitter as well as from the videos as well, and I was expecting that this major support supposed to hold. At the same time, we were watching before 24th of January after we got this bullish pin bar, and we expected the confirmation of the next bar expected as a green one. So we got this, and I also mentioned that over the Twitter, as soon as in the recent videos as well as on the Twitter that I mentioned major support, I'm expecting to hold it, and in the coming days we're going to see a pump in the market. So from that level we pumped nearly 40% profit. The major support was a good level for DCA. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame as well as the higher time frame, we got a rejection, beautiful rejection right from 0.67, the golden pocket. At the same time, that confluence with the upper line of this parallel channel. I want to draw your attention to this tweet about 20 hours ago that I posted that BTC highly likely that we're going to see a rejection, because the reason we were at a weekly and monthly resistance level. And right from this post, you can see it. This was the reason that we got a rejection. We got a horizontal high time frame resistance plus the upper line of this parallel channel, at the same time mid time frame the Fibonacci 61867 levels. For the market and instant updates, you can follow me via Twitter at @the_magnate. So as you can see, we got a rejection. On the lower time frame, we will analyze how far we can dump. On the 4-hour time frame, as soon as we broke $41,000, we had a trend change and we started pumping. And at this stage, as long as we're going to be above $39,000, 39,500, 4-hour will remain under the bull's control. If you remember, we had these two resistance levels above us when we dumped all the way up to this major support. Now we've been following these levels in the last few weeks, and these two resistance became as a support. As you can see, once we broke this resistance above $39,600, $40,000, we started seeing a decent pump in the market. Moving on to 2-hour time frame. Under 2-hour time frame, as soon as we broke this level of 38,500, 2-hour started giving us a bullish signal. As long as we do not lose at around 40,500 level in the coming days, 2-hour will remain under the bull's control. Before we move on to further analysis, if you want to learn all these technical analysis what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and 101 intense masterclasses available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market, and it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Based on the lower time frame as well as the mid time frame, once we got a rejection right from 618 and 67 golden pockets, and I'm expecting this is mid time frame as well as the high time frame resistance and the retracement to come all the way up to 41,000, 41,500 levels, where we have another Fibonacci inside the Fibonacci 0.618, at the same time two next point of controls. Maximum pain I'm expecting, which is I'm not giving too much attention at the moment, 39,300 level. And however, if we're seeing a rejection, we might see this type of scenario in the coming 48 hours. I want to draw your attention to this scenario. You remember we got initial short setup at around 66,500 level, right from 0.618, the golden pocket. but the second one, highest probability, was between $63,500 and $64,000. As soon as we broke the red line, we never managed to get in and break this green line. So right from average 63,500, we saw, as I said, nearly 50% dump in the market. However, with the recent one, where we exited from $41,000, $42,000, that we had another confluence at around here, we had over 30% profit. And if you're doing a leverage with a 10 times or 5 times, you do the maths for yourself. The levels are clear. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.